Have you been thinking about ways to make more money from your vehicle, but you've not known how to go about it? In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can get started with uploading your vehicle on Bolt and how you can earn money from it in the process. Now, this video is going to be a three-part series. In the first part, I'm going to be talking about how to get started, how to upload your vehicle details and stuff like that. In the second part, I'm going to be breaking down some myths people do have about driving on this platform, and in the third video, I'm going to be talking about how much you can earn while driving and tips and tricks that's going to make you earn over ₦1 million while driving in less than 2 months. So let's go. So first of all, if you want to get started with driving on Bolt, you have to first of all ensure your vehicle meets the minimum requirements to drive on this platform. Now, the minimum requirements for this platform is that your vehicle has to be from the model of 2000 and above, and it should have 4 doors. I don't know how if that 4-door part is really compulsory, but your vehicle should be from the model of 2000 and above, and your vehicle has to be in good condition. Now, your vehicle should not have as much as a scratch on the side mirror or your windshield or stuff like that. Your vehicle has to be in good condition. The body could be a little bit roughed up, but the important features your vehicle needs to have, they all have to be in good condition. There's no two ways about that, or else your application is going to bounce. So ensure you have a good vehicle, a good working vehicle, and it's in good condition. And another stuff is your vehicle papers have to be intact. All your vehicle papers have to be intact and have to be valid and updated. Your driver's license, you also need to have a driver's license as well. So once you check that your car meets the minimum requirements, the second step now is to download the app and sign up. Now, there are 2 apps. There's the driver version and there's the passenger version for the consumers. What you're going to download is the driver version. It's called Bolt Driver. You're going to download the driver version, and that's the version you're going to be using. You're going to sign up on that version. You're going to put in your personal details, your name, your date of birth, your phone number, your address, and stuff like that, and then you sign up. And when you sign up, you now get to upload your vehicle and your vehicle papers and your vehicle details for vetting. Now, once you're done with that process of signing up, you're going to be scheduled for an inspection. Now, this is the most important part of this platform. This is the part I love the most, the inspection part of it. You're going, depending on the state you are, you have to be in a state where Bolt operates in, and in that state they're going to have an agent that inspects everyone who signs up and uploads their vehicle to drive on this platform. Now, depending on the city, when you go for that inspection, you're just going to pay a token of like 1.5 or 2.5. Yeah, you're going to pay 2.5 to the agent, and he's going to inspect your vehicle. Now, what this agent is going to look out for is he's going to go through your vehicle he's going to go through your entire vehicle, the interiors, the exteriors, and your vehicle papers. He's going to take a picture of your vehicle, your exterior, your interior, and he's going to check your car papers. Literally, this dude is going to be the popo. Everything you can imagine the popo looking for is what that dude is going to look for in your vehicle. He's going to check your fire extinguisher. He's going to check your triangle. He's going to check your car papers. He's going to check your interiors, your seat belts, your side mirrors. They cannot be as much as a scratch on your side mirror, or else your vehicle is not going to get approved. He's going to check for you every single thing about your vehicle. He's going to check, and he's going to take a picture, and he's going to upload it in his platform or wherever he's going to upload it. And he's also going to take a picture of you as a driver. So you cannot inspect your vehicle via proxy. There's no proxy inspection of vehicle. You have to do this the old rugged way by yourself. So once this dude is done inspecting and uploads your vehicle, if it gets approved, he's going to be notified that your vehicle has been approved, and he's going to send, or they are going to send your inspection reports to you, to your email, the email you provided. Now your inspection reports, you're going to now upload this report to your dashboard, your from the driver's app that you've downloaded. You're going to upload your inspection report there, and once you've done that, you're going to get approved. Now another good thing about this inspection is that it's done periodically every 6 months. So there you have it. I'm going to recap on what I said. First of all, you have to check that your car matches the requirements to be on this platform. It means your car has to be in good condition. It has to be from the model of 2000 and above. It has to have 4 doors and stuff like that. It should also be in very good condition. You're going to sign up with the driver's app. You're going to upload your personal details and stuff like that, your vehicle details, and then they are going to schedule you for an inspection. They're going to go through the inspection phase. Once you can clear that phase, you are done. Literally, the only hassle you're going to have is if your car is not in good condition. If there's as much as a crack on your side mirror, you have to go and fix it. If your plate number is faded, you have to go and renew that stuff. So it's cool. So there's it. That's how you can get started with the platform. In the next video, I'm going to be breaking down the myths people have about this platform. Some people don't want their kids to start driving because they're scared of certain things. So in the next video, I'm going to be breaking this down, and in the video after that, I'm going to be showing you how much you can earn while driving as a side hustle or full-time. And if there's a video after that, I'm going to be showing you and telling you some tricks that I personally used that made me make over $1 million while driving. So keep watching, subscribe, like, and let's go.